Typewriters come in all manner of shapes, sizes, and colors, depending on the era in which they were made. You never know what you're going to find when you go looking for typewriters. You could find the amazingly bright or the incredibly old. The first step in taking care of any old typewriter is cleaning out. You want to get rid of all dust and debris in between the keys and on the bottom. I recommend a paintbrush or a toothbrush to help you get in between the keys. Dust and debris inside a typewriter can cause sticking when you're trying to use it. It may take a bit longer, but you're much better off working with a dry brush and a dry toothbrush, because water can damage your typewriter and the ribbon that goes in it. You also don't want to add any kind of oil, as this will also ruin your ribbon and possibly your keys as well. The keys of a typewriter can usually be accessed through a secret button, usually the logo on the front. The keys are very delicate. If they're at all bent, they won't go up and down correctly. You also need to be careful to get all the dust and debris out of the joint at the bottom.